In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internal note in Zendesk. Whether you're collaborating with your team or keeping important information at your fingertips, internal notes can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So, let's dive in and get started. Imagine you're navigating through your Zendesk dashboard and you've landed on a ticket that requires attention. The first thing you'll need to do is open up this ticket. It's crucial to ensure you're looking at the correct issue so you can add information that is both relevant and helpful. With the ticket open, direct your attention to the comment composer. This is the spot where you usually type out your responses to customers. But today, we're focusing on internal notes. In the top section of the comment composer, you'll notice a tab labeled Public Reply. Next to it, you'll find another option, Internal Note. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Internal Note, and you'll notice it turns yellow. This color change signifies that whatever you type next is for internal eyes only. The importance of marking your comment as an internal note cannot be overstated. It ensures that the information stays hidden from the requester and visible solely to you and your fellow agents. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to type out your note. This is your opportunity to include any collaboration insights, reference information, or specific instructions that might help resolve the ticket more efficiently. Think of it as a memo for the team or a personal reminder. Perhaps there's a trend you've noticed that could help solve the issue faster, or maybe there's a bit of context that others should be aware of. Craft your note with clarity, keeping in mind that it should ultimately contribute to a better resolution process. Once your note is ready, the final step is to click Submit. With a simple click, your thoughtful contribution is locked in as a private comment. Remember, this note is now a part of the ticket, but will only be visible to agents. It's a powerful way to maintain internal communication without involving the requester. And there you have it, a seamless way to add internal notes in Zendesk. By following these straightforward steps, you enhance your team's communication, making ticket management more efficient and effective. Internal notes are a game changer for maintaining clarity within your team, so make sure to use them whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your Zendesk efforts. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy ticketing, everyone!